I think it's fair to say that we did meet expectations. It was more focused on the marketing and the growth of the practice. And I think I enjoyed that very much. I think the training where after the presenters had made great presentations, we had the opportunity to interact with the other participants. Some of them have been practicing GAINSWave and FemiWave for a couple of years. So it was great to hear their feedback, and that reinforced the things that we had learned. I'm just new to this, just 8 weeks into it. So, getting an interaction with those who've been doing this for long term has improved my confidence about the fact that GAINSWave can work for my men in the community. I think the GAINSWave program is a great marketing machine by itself. I like the portal. I like the fact that I can download the marketing materials that I need and be able to either post directly on social media or order from VistaPrint's brochures and other materials to communicate with our patients what we are doing. So that flexibility and those great tools that the portal offers is great. The Facebook community that we are able to interact with other practitioners and have questions answered online is also great. And the training videos are awesome. So I think everything that GAINSWave has packaged, it does show that they've really done an intensive work in developing this project. And it is a wonderful, everything about it in total is great, and I love it. This GAINSWave and FemiWave therapy is going to be the way for the future. If you don't make a decision now, you will make it later because it's evidence-based. More patients are going to ask for it, and you are going to have it to be able to deliver it to your patients, to be abreast with the technology and with recent modern trends. So I'm saying to my healthcare providers, there's no need to wait. Jump in and make sure that you can offer your patients technology to improve their blood flow and their sexual wellness.